Hello guys, you're welcome to Vince Tech class. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through sentiment analysis on Nigerian President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We start by importing our required libraries. First, we import RE for regular expressions. Next, we import NumPy as MP. Next, we import TweetPy. And from TweetPy, we import authentication handler, which makes it possible to support a secure third party. Next, from TestBlob, we import TestBlob. Next, we import Matplotlib as PLT, which will be used for visualization. Next, we import Pandas as PD, and finally, from WordCloud, we import WordCloud. WordCloud helps to visualize how topics are mentioned in the data. Next, we define our keys. These are our secret keys. And if you can observe, I cancelled it with X because it's a secret key. So if you want to get the key, you can apply through your developer. So after a series of questioning, you'll be issued your own key, which will be kept secret. Even though the key is compromised, you can still regenerate it. Next, we define our query. And if you can observe, there is an inscription here which reads, please enter your topic of interest. And our topic of interest is Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, aka Jagaban, that is Nigerian president. Next, we create a data frame and convert only the tweets into a list. And we create a function called clean tweets to clean our data or preprocess our data. And we have our clean tweets. These are the clean tweets. You can observe from the screen, these are the clean tweets. Next, we print the polarity of the tweets at index 0, which is about 0.25. And we create a list of polarity value and tweet text. Next, we print the value of the auth role and print all sentiment values. They are all sentiment value. And if you can observe from the output, each text with its polarity value. It comes with its polarity value. Next, we create a data frame of each tweet against its polarity. And if you can observe from the output, these are the polarity and these are the tweets. Next, we save the polarity column as N, and we convert this column into a series of M. You can observe on your screen. Next, we initialize the variables as positive, negative, and neutral. And we create a loop to classify the tweets as positive, negative, and neutral. You can observe on your screen. Next, we create a pie label, that's a pie chart, to visualize our sentiments. And if you can observe from the output, about 77.78 people feel positive about Nigerian president-elect. 22.22 feel neutral about the Nigerian president-elect, and 0.00 feel negative about the Nigerian president-elect. Next, we display the number of tweet users who feel certain way about the given topics. This is it from the output. Some feel positive, some feel negative, some feel neutral. Next, we create a word cloud from the tweets. These are the word cloud. This is the word cloud. Remember what I said about word cloud? Word cloud helps to visualize how topics or texts are mentioned in your data. So these are the texts that are frequently mentioned. Example: President, Tinubu, forget, distinct, Bola, Nigeria, federal, and etc. So guys, that's all for today's tutorial. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.